Let's work on the future value of growing annuity today with Excel. For example, this question, if I put 100 into a bank initially, growing at 10% every year. How much is it worth after 10 years with 5% interest rate? In Excel, first, you need to type the growth rate, which is 10%, and interest rate, which is 5%. Then you need to fill the time index, 1, 2, 3, and then, highlight all these three numbers, drag it down until you see 10. Remember the initial payment is 100, so put 100 here. Then we calculate the other payments from the previous payments. It's 100 multiplied by 1 plus the growth rate. Remember to lock the growth rate. Then, click this number and double-click here to fill all the cells. The fastest way to find the future value is to find the present value first. It's because we have the internal function to calculate the present value. It equals to NPV function, with the 5% interest rate is, comma, and highlight all those cash flows. Then, we got 1,184.67 cents. That would be the present value for these set of payments. To find the future value, you need to use the internal function for future value, which is equal to FV. The interest rate would be the 5%, which is the interest rate for the whole period. N per would be 10, and there's no periodic payment, so we just skip it. The present value would be the NPV just calculated. So remember to put a negative sign in front of that number, or you're going to get the negative future value. Then enter. You got the answer, which is 1929.70 cents, as the future value. So it means that after 10 years you are going to get 1929.70 cents if you put $100 initially in the bank, and it's growing at 10% every year for 10 years. That's it for today, thank you.